Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to track the activity of your respondents inside your forms by connecting your Tripetto form to Google Analytics. Tracking form activity like this helps you get insights into your respondents' behavior. For example, to analyze form starts, form completions, interactions, and drop-offs. To do this, we start by preparing Google Analytics to be able to receive tracking data from Tripetto. Make sure your property in Google Analytics is allowed to receive data from the domain that your form is running at. It depends on your version of Google Analytics how to do that. See the detailed article in our Help Center for more instructions. After you've configured your Google Analytics property, you can copy the unique Google Analytics ID of this property or stream to your clipboard so you can use it later on. Note that it depends on your version of Google Analytics how to get that ID and what that ID looks like. See the detailed article in our Help Center for more instructions. Now open your form in Tripetto. Then open the tracking screen from the Automate menu at the top menu bar. This will open up the tracking screen to the right of the builder. Over there you can simply enable the option for Google Analytics, and you will see you can enter your ID. In here paste the ID that you copied before. You can also determine which events inside your form need to be tracked so you only get the tracking data that you're interested in. You can, for example, just track the starts and completions of your form to measure completion rates. Or you could also track which specific questions in your form are actually presented to your respondents. And with that data you could analyze at which question in your form respondents tend to drop off. Now that Tripetto sends data to Google Analytics, you can see the tracking data over there and build the desired analysis. How to do that exactly depends on your Google Analytics version and what you want to analyze. And please note that it can take up to 24 hours before Google Analytics recognizes your new Tripetto events. And that's how you can track form activity in Tripetto with Google Analytics. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.